Hello my friends, this is a basic set of tiles of hexagonal terrain. You will need these. This is locking system. With them you can create a set of the net of hexes which connects all your terrain together so it not will fall apart. You will simply create the size of your terrain or wish terrain. When you have enough of these, you will probably need the basic tile. This is a simple hex. You will need plenty of these because with them you can create the flat, quite big surface. You just put them on the locking system. So they won't fall apart. In the basic set, you also get streams. You can model them as you wish, with some waves or without, whatever. We have three basic shapes of the water: straight, curved and more curved. With these you can create the streams as you like. Again, very simply, you put them in the locking system. Oh, sorry. I have to create something different, like this. So you can create the river system or the stream system. You also get some special tiles for the streams. It's spring with stone. The stone is modeled over, but it's shaped over the printed part. And the dead end. Again, very simply, you can add them to your system. Whatever you like, whatever you wish. Like this. And more. You have the stream connection. One the epsilon shape and left and right. Again, you can very simply add them to your terrain. For example, like these. Oh, there should be the... And here we can do something more. Oh, like this and this. It's this easy to create the quite realistic, very modular system. And that's still not all. With the basic set of tiles, you also get, we call them mega hexes, mega hex tile. For the purpose of printing, not because of size, they are split in halves, but they have locking system already. So you very simply connect them, and this is base for your crafting. What am I talking about? I mean these. As you can see, this print part was modeled with insulation foam, and I can create actually whatever I want. Some rocks, only flat parts, some hills, craters, whatever. Swamps. Oh, the walls just with some crust. Roads, ruins, whatever. And what's perfect about these is that these tiles are ready to connect with other of your system. As you can see here, there are holes for locking system. So you can very simply connect them together. You very simply connect them with your locking tiles and then use the smaller tiles to create whatever you want around these bigger tiles. These big tiles are useful when you are building a big terrain. I mean, for example, I'm using them for wargaming. where you need I think 3 feet by 6 feet table, and build this big table with these small tiles. It's quite time consuming and material consuming. So I've come with idea of these. It is about 30 of these to create the full-size wargaming table. The only flaw is that the table will not have the square or the straight lines on the border, but it's just a small price for this variability. And if you don't want to use the small ones with the locking system, you can very simply connect these together with these small locks, whatever. You just put them in the holes of locking where you need them, and then just put them together. This easy it is. Oh, and they are great to be able to actually be put in from the on the table already. So this is all content of the basic set of the STL files from Hexagonille terrain. If you buy it for $10, you will get the set. You will get the STL for each of the tile, and you can print as many as you wish of these. It's about 100 of the basic hexes to create 1 meter per 1 meter terrain. Thank you very much and goodbye.